Always look on the bright
Kitchen
side
Diaries.
of life. Always look on the light side of life. If life seems jolly rotten, there's something you've forgotten, and that's to laugh and smile and dance and sing. When you're feeling in the dumps, don't be silly chumps. Just purse your lips and whistle, that's the thing. And always look on the bright side of life. Come on. Always look on the right side of life. For life is quite absurd, and death's the final word. You must always face the curtain with a bow.
That's a lovely new look.
Give the audience a grin.
New fashion
Enjoy
brand.
it, it's your last chance anyhow.
How much do you have to get paid to get here
Always look on the bright
and
side.
walk back down to Carrot Road and back? Oh, that's quality, man. That's absolute quality.
Life's a piece of shit when you look at it. Life's a laugh and death's a joke, it's
I
true.
need to have a better strategy.
You'll see it's all a show, keep them laughing as you go. Just remember that the last laugh is on
Watch out where you're putting that knife, boy.
and all